Welcome to At Home with Carla. This is where I like to share my life with my family, friends, our pets, some DIY projects, and even some cooking. So, thanks for watching and let's get started. And lately, I've been adding prepping ideas. You never know if there's going to be a EMP, the economy collapses, or whatever. I'm just trying to put away some extra food and share some ideas. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. We went to the dog park and the dogs had a cheeseburger and then ran their long legs. We'll just give them the meat today. Hey, Bella. Prepping idea number one for today is put extra dog food away or your pet foods. We had our air ducts cleaned out, and it's been, 24 some years that we lived here. So we had them all cleaned out, and it took them all day to get it done. And they showed us, the dirt and stuff, icky stuff that came out of our vents. This was just one, but there was another vacuum too, and I know it was a lot dirtier than that. Hmm. I love our animals so much. Each one has their own little personality and qualities. So cute. My husband ordered a bunch of chunky chicken breast in a can from Walmart, and they delivered it right to our door today. So it's really easy for me to give Boo Boo his thyroid medicine in this chicken because they love it so much. So today's a special treat. Chunky chicken out of a can for the cats. Sneaker. Sneaker. Yep, time for a cat nap. My husband made chicken. It's just done perfectly with some potatoes. And I put a little bit of ranch on there. And I can't wait to try it. It's going to be so good. Oh, look who's here. They're in their kennel for a little bit so the cats could have run of the house. This is going to be good. Right? Right, Bella? Mm-hmm. Look, Ring. Yeah. It's Sunday night. Just got done eating our chicken. Now we're all relaxing. And going to go to bed. Have a great day. The next day, my husband went in to get I can't remember the name of it, but they check his heart through electronics. Electrocardiogram, maybe that's what it is. And so he's laying there trying to hold still, and they were checking him out. Then they send the results to the doctor, and then he has another appointment at the end of the month. So we'll see how that goes. Hope for the best. During the winter months, we put straw or hay, whatever this is, I think it's hay, on the bricks here. And then when I clean it, I put it in the wheelbarrow and bring it back in the woods and dump it back there. If we usually snow blow a path back there. And I'm really liking the ceiling that our son built. No leaks, and I have a little light out there on a timer. It comes on at night so the dogs can see where they're going to the bathroom. And it's a beautiful day here in Wisconsin. It's not too cold or hot. It's just about right. And this is where they come out of the house. I have to repaint that, as you can see, but it works for now. I didn't have time this summer to paint. I'm showing this next part only because it's part of my life, and in case you're curious on what's going on in my life, this is what's going on. I'm starting to feel better, but I'm not quite there yet. I'm just trying to take it easy. When I coughed today, I pulled a couple muscles. I'm kind of out of shape, but and I'm not showing my mouth because I didn't get my 2 teeth yet. Life is a little bit on the rough side right now, but things will get better. My sinuses are clearing up a little bit. My cough is a little bit less, except for I did cough today, and oh my gosh. One was under my rib, and the other was on my lower stomach, and they started to spasm. So if I didn't have my ionized water bottle with me, I don't know what I would have done, because that usually gets rid of any cramping or spasms like within 3 seconds. So we invested in that machine a few years back, and it's been a godsend blessing to us. Some people can't afford it, but you know, we made payments on it and stuff, so it worked out in our favor. That's about all I know for today. I did a little bit of cleaning, and I went outside and cleaned a little bit, and just hosed down the porch and let Boo Boo outside. He enjoyed the nice sunshine. About around 5:30 it gets kind of chilly, so fall's moving in, so have to keep an eye on him. I've had this cold for going on 2 months with sinus infection and allergies. I got hit, I think, with 3 different things, maybe 4. The flu, a head cold, sinus infection, and allergies. So it really took the wind out of my sails, and I'm looking forward to feeling better here soon. So I'm going to take a nap. Hope you're doing good. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Today for supper, I'm having a pot pie with some cheddar cheese on top. It's probably not the healthiest, but it's pretty healthy. Starting to feel a little more like cooking, so today I'm making, of course, eggs and luncheon meat. I'm going to put a little chia seeds on there.
Music is my way of meditation. Music is my way of meditation.
Today I felt a little bit better, so I ventured out to the mall and I noticed all the pretty trees from autumn, and I thought I would show you. I only stayed out a couple hours and then I had to go home because I just didn't want to overdo myself and I got really tired. So anyway, here's what I saw today. Well, I mustered up enough energy to clean the windows. Don't they look clear and nice? Yeah, well, I'm just kidding. Our son took out these inserts, and then I'm cleaning the windows because they're pretty dirty. This was from his side. He does a lot of garage work on cars and exhaust, etc. And they're quite dirty, but hoping to get them all cleaned up, put back in. And this is what they should look like. Kind of pretty clean. But yeah, it's really nice out today, so I thought I would give it a try, and I put the fan on these so they dry faster in case he wants to put them in tonight. But I made sauerkraut and sausage tonight for supper, so I've been going in to have a bite to eat, and then I can't eat very much because my appetite's not that great, and then I come back out and clean, and then I go back in, get some water. But here's my working station. So I've been using some tire cleaner to get some of the dirt off, but I'm running out, so I'm using just plain old Windex. Probably should use some bleach, but I don't know what that will do. But anyway, that's what was on the outside, all of the bugs, all the gross bugs. So today, that's on the agenda. Well, I'm going to end this video for today. I'd like to thank you for watching my video. And if you want to smash that like button, it helps the algorithm on my videos. And if you'd share it, it would help my videos to grow. But thank you. Hope you're doing well. And God bless you and your family. And take care.
is my way of meditation. Music is my way of meditation. Music is my way of meditation. Music is my way of meditation.